Sup guys, Dom here. This is gonna be a sort of extension to one of my previous videos, how to sharpen a knife. Just thought, I don't know if I mentioned it fully in the video, or at least explained it good, but I'm gonna show you how to get. Okay, I'll just show you guys. Okay, just put the sword down. I'll explain what that's for in a minute. Okay, you see how this get into focus. I need better lighting. Okay, if you take a look at the blade, you'll see that it has these little chips at the bottom of it, not the serrations next to it, like right over here. Those little tiny chips. I'll show you how to get rid of those, but first I want to make it more noticeable. So I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to take this antique sword that I got, not antique, but it's really crappy. It was like 25 bucks. So I don't have any metal rods lying around. So this is just a cheap knife. Do whatever you do, do not do this. Excuse me. Don't do this in future videos. I'm just going to take the edge of the blade and sort of slap it against the side. And a little bit more. There we go. Now, when you look at the blade again now, let's get in the frame. When you look at the blade now, you see the chips have gotten a lot bigger. It's a really big one right here, and then there's a bunch of little ones over here. We're gonna get rid of those. Just gotta reposition the camera. Right there. There. Let's see what the hell I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, let's zoom in a little. Okay. Now, sort of hold the blade like this. You want to put a little pressure on it because you gotta take a really big dent out. And this side's rougher. This side, actually, let me show you guys this real quick too. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but you can see it's very fucked up. So I'm going to sharpen this side off first to get rid of all that metal imperfection. Oh, it's nice, I completely screwed up the serration. I'll take that off later. Okay, let's start with that really rough edge side. Now, being that you're taking off a lot of metal, you want to put a lot of pressure on the blade just to even it out. Once it stops catching on, and it's a lot easier, you can just reprofile it. This is just to get really bad imperfections out. Do that. A little bit more down there. Okay, now I gotta really grind them down. Yeah, a little bit more on this side. It's still going here. It's getting a little, actually, it's getting a lot better. Let's just bring it up to the camera again, the light. You could see that it definitely looks a lot better. Here's the serrations right here. Let's back it up. There's a serrations right here. You can see that it's a little imperfection right there. But most of it's pretty much gone. I really need to fix this blade now. As you can see, I really screwed the serrations up. This one's right here is completely bent. This knife's all screwed up. It's from Forest Cutlery. It's a $5 knife, so whatever. Alright, that's about it for this video. Before you watch this video, I suggest you take a look at the other video. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later.
There you go, you're always so right. It's all a big show, it's all about you.